In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an account in Toptal. So to start, go to toptal.com and click on login. Now in here, scroll down and down here, join Toptal as a freelancer. Click on freelancer. Now once you're in here, you can sign up with LinkedIn or you can do it manually. So scroll down and click on this one I'm applying from as the given options. For example, marketing expert. So enter your full name, your email address, password, and type in again your password to confirm. Once done, click on apply to join TopTal. So put in your personal information like your location, the city. Next, choose citizenship, English proficiency, and the main reason you're applying at TopTal. So select a reason from the list and click on continue. So next, tell them about your professional experience. So how many years of professional experience do you have? So choose your primary job interest, which industries you have experience in, and years of experience, expertise. So choose from suggested areas. Just select on it. So you can only add 6 areas of expertise. Now, which type of job commitment do you prefer? Full-time, part-time, hourly? And what's your preferred hourly rate in US dollars? So put in your website, your personal website or blog, and your LinkedIn profile. Once done, click on continue. And after that, you will be asked to set up your professional profile. So upload your profile photo. So it should be JPG and PNG file. So maximum file size is 10 MB. Now next, upload your resume. And once done, click on finish. And next, click on send application. And once done, you need to confirm your email address. So go to your email. So click the verification link sent to your email. And now you know how to sign up and create your TopTal account. That's basically it. Thanks for watching.